guys, welcome back. Come with me to explore the lush landscapes of Sri Lanka's hill country. In this video, I'll be giving you a short itinerary which you can use for weekends, or if you are in Sri Lanka for a short stay, you can visit all these places within 2 or 3 days without rush. So let's begin. Our first destination is the Heritage Tea Factory, Kandapula. As the highest elevated resort in Sri Lanka, this is such a scenic property in the middle of misty mountains and lush green tea estates. The Tea Factory Hotel is located in Kandapula, a remote area that is away from the bustling city limits of Nuwara Eliya, where the surrounding of the factory is incredibly beautiful and calm. We had a traditional warm welcome by the Heritage Tea Factory team, and it was amazing.
Sugar candy, likes of this cardamom, just spoon easy. One time only also.
Okay.
Enjoy taste.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Yeah, it's refreshing.
We had some organic Sri Lankan tea which was refreshing, and then we headed to the room for much needed rest. The rooms here offer scenic views of the tea estates and mountains. We stayed in room number 308, which is one of the best rooms to watch the sunrise in the morning and glimpse of sunset in the evening. A stay here will surely transport you back to the 19th century with its dark wood and carpeted interiors. The food here at Tea Factory was exceptional, and the restaurant was super cozy. We had a delicious Sri Lankan rice and curry for lunch, and it was all we needed after traveling for a few hours. In the evening, we explored the hotel interiors and its unique architecture. This property is truly beautiful, and everything looks much magical in the evening. And after a simple dinner, we called it a night. Good morning guys, it's our second day at Tea Factory, and waking up to this beautiful sunrise is something special you can experience from your room. Don't you agree? There's a special reason why we wanted to stay in this hotel. This hotel was a tea factory that has a rich history from the colonial era, which was later converted into a luxury hotel while retaining the equipment used in the tea factory. It's a fusion of modern architecture and old tea factory remains, which gives the Tea Factory Hotel a unique place among the 5-star hotels in Sri Lanka. All the experiences and the offerings in this hotel are designed in a way to highlight the Ceylon tea culture of the past. You can really taste the great Sri Lankan organic tea with the amazing variations here at the Tea Factory Hotel. After all the shooting and photography, it was time for us to have breakfast. Here at Tea Factory, they have a huge variety of breakfast options, starting from Sri Lankan, Indian to English breakfast. We had a lovely breakfast, and before we knew it, it was time for us to pack our bags.
Good morning, guys. So we are still at the tea factory and I'm enjoying some nice cup of tea and just enjoying the view. So today we're actually planning to leave the tea factory and we're heading to Ella. And on the way we have a plan to go and see the Bomburu Ella. And also once we are in Ella, we always wanted to try the Flying Ravana Ziplining thing. So we're gonna try that and stay tuned to see what it's like.
If you're looking for a stunning natural wonder to explore, the Bomarella waterfall in Sri Lanka should be on your list. This waterfall is located near the border of Nuwara Eliya and Badula district. The walk to the waterfall requires a bit of a hike and a climb through the forest around 2 to 3 kilometers. But the breathtaking views and the cool weather prevents you from feeling any tiredness at all. The trek will take approximately 2 hours and anyone with a good fitness level can do this hike. Once you reach the top, you can rest, have a picnic and take some beautiful photos. However, camping at this location is prohibited by the relevant government authorities of Sri Lanka for safety reasons. Remember that when you visit here next time. So next time you are in Nuwara Eliya, add this destination to your list and do visit here for sure. Ella Flying Ravana Mega Zipline is an excellent place to get that urging adrenaline rush and enjoy the amazing bird's eye view of the mountain range around. Flying Ravana staff is extremely professional, whereas the whole setup is based on safety being the key priority. They also provide action cameras so that there is no need to worry if you don't have one to capture this memorable experience. This zipline is one of Sri Lanka's longest and the fastest, spanning half a kilometer and reaching speed up to 80 kilometers per hour. Riders can see the lush green valleys, tea plantations and the surrounding mountains while ziplining. The experience lasts roughly 45 to 50 seconds and guests can ride alone or with a companion next to each other, as there are 2 ziplines. The experience is open to people of various fitness levels and age groups. However, there could be certain restrictions and age limits due to safety reasons. It's always advisable to check with the staff beforehand. There is no requirement to make a booking in advance. The zipline might operate on specific schedules depending on the weather, season and demand. It's recommended to contact the operators for up-to-date information. Overall, I would strongly recommend this zipline excursion to anyone searching for an unforgettable outdoor activity in Ella. It's a terrific way to get your heart pumping while seeing the nature from a different perspective. After an exciting 2 days, it was time for us to head back to Colombo. So guys, I hope you enjoyed today's video and see you again with another travel tale. If you'd like to see more from me, then hit that subscribe button and please leave a like, because it actually helps me to get these videos out in front of more people. Again, thank you so much for watching and thanks for your support.